Hey, it is your girl, Jerry's Finest. I know you thought I was gone again for a very long time, but no. So today, I am going to make natural lip gloss. Okay, you guys, I just want to get right into it today. I am going to make my own natural lip gloss. Yay! Like, what's the point of being natural, like super natural? Like, okay, I wear makeup from time to time or whatever, but like I eat really clean and everything. I know I told you guys I'm working on my weight. I'm not playing. I'm in the middle of a juice detox right now into 2 weeks. I know I'm not going to be funny about like where have I been. Okay. So yeah, I just finished Passover and Feast of Unleavened Bread, you guys. That is a religious, no, that is actually a religious feast in Leviticus chapter 23. So yeah, if you want to know more about it, you can find it in the King James Version Bible. And so yes, I was on a sabbatical with the Most High. So I'm back, you guys, and yes. Okay, I'm making natural lip gloss, you guys. Today is my very first time. I have saw a lot of recipes, but honestly, the type of oils that I'm interested in using in my lips, I don't see anybody using. So I am going to start from scratch, and we're gonna see how it goes. I have my first tubes and everything. I have these. They're so pretty. You know, I gotta be extra. I'm gonna use these. I prefer this applicator because I don't want to put my fingers in there. And so I have some little closed tops, push tops or whatever. And yeah, this is it. This is what I'm using, you guys. So I am going to use coconut oil and I am going to use shea butter because you guys, unrefined shea butter, because I use this in my soap. And I use this in my oils that I make in my skin, and I love it. And sometimes I rub it on my lips, and it's amazing. So I was just thinking, like, if I could just make that into a lip gloss, honey, yes. So I'm going to use shea butter, coconut oil, and those should give us the thickness, okay? And I'm going to use a little bit of castor oil because I don't want it to be crazy thick. Wait, this is olive oil. So that's gonna help break the consistency of thickness. And this is a little bit of castor oil, just because it's really good for your skin, and also it is gonna give us also a little bit of thickness, because I don't want this to be like hard. So yes, I want it to be oily, but I don't want it to be super duper oily, which is why I also have grapeseed oil. So you guys, this is like crazy because I'm making this up. But it's gonna be great, okay? So I also have lemon essential oil. I also have juniper berry, and I also have orange, and that's to give us some type of lovely scent, lovely. And then I have barrage oil. So you guys, let's go. Oh yes, did I say I bought those too? I bought all of these on Amazon, you guys. So, are you ready? Let's go. Oh, and you're gonna need some type of jar. I prefer glass. I'm gonna get some gloves. Look, this is gonna be for me, okay? So if I make some for you, I'll use gloves, right? If I make this for other people, I'm gonna use gloves because I know we're in the season of COVID, okay? So since this is for me, I'm not gonna use gloves, okay? But when I make some for you, if you want some, I will use gloves for you. But this is for me, so I'm gonna make it how I like to make it. If it's for you, I'm gonna make sure everything is sterilized, and I'm gonna wear gloves and a mask and all of that. But honey, this is for me, so I'm just gonna make it the way I like it, okay? So I wanna make sure I got everything ready to put into the applicator. Okay, you guys, so I decided I was just gonna do a teaspoon of everything because I wanna be able to keep up with how much I use, how many ingredients I use for everything. I had to go get my pot. I bought this pot specifically for making stuff. Skin, lips, whatever. It's brand new, stainless steel. specifically for making stuff. I do not even eat my food in microwaves. No offense to anyone who does. So I'm definitely not gonna melt my soap. And I mean my soap, oh boy. Blah. I'm definitely not gonna melt my lip gloss in the I'm not gonna melt my oils and stuff like that in the microwave. So yes. So here's a teaspoon of everything. We're gonna see how it goes. Like I said, this is for me, so I don't have gloves on because this is for me. And
okay, so I am just going to take a teaspoon of pretty much everything and I am going to mix it all together. And the reason why I am heating the pot up a little bit because I don't know if you know this, but Baba Su oil and coconut oil are a little bit thick. And as you can see, I can barely get the Baba Su out of the container. It's crazy, but this stuff is great. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the oils that I chose just so you can see why I am so adamant on using these products instead of just like the basic stuff that everybody uses, okay? So Baba Su oil it's extracted from a seed of a Baba Su palm, which it grows in Amazon, like South America. It's like a non-drying oil. And it's similar to coconut oil, definitely the way that it gets all solid, but it moisturizes the skin, it treats acne, blemishes, it reduces skin inflammation, like anti-aging, like you gonna have some young looking lips now. Okay, like it provides relief to like itchy and peeling skin. So I feel like with the peeling, like the lips sometimes can peel if they're too dry. It restores elasticity. It reduces stretch marks. I don't know how that's gonna benefit your lips, but probably like clear them up if they have like a couple of scars or bruises on them. I hope you don't have any bruised lips. I don't know why your lips will be bruised, but it's possible, okay? And then for olive oil, it just it just has so many benefits. Like has large amounts of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, and it just helps protect us from heart disease. Like I don't know if that can help your lips, but yeah, it's awesome. And it's just not very thick, which I think will be great because grapeseed oil, I'm not grapeseed, coconut oil and babasu oil is so thick. I feel like it'll give it a nice balance. And of course, grapeseed oil has vitamin E. Yes, which is also another antioxidant. So this is why I love these oils so much. And shea butter, like it helps with peeling skin, like that mixed with the other oils that I'm using. Like yes, I decided on all of those. I think I also added Barrage. Yes, Barrage is also a mystery amazing oil. That one actually comes from a plant. It is from an actual plant, like a flower plant. And yeah, it really is good for the body, like the liver and everything, but it also helps with like eczema and dermatitis and rosacea and like just dry skin, and it doesn't leave that oily texture. So I wanted to add that. I also added castor oil, you guys, so I forgot to mention that. Yeah, I did add castor oil. So yes, I feel like these combinations are awesome. Yes, right? Totally. And castor oil actually fights fungus. Like, I don't know why you will have fungus on your lips. That's not what I'm saying. But yeah, I think all these are like a super awesome. You guys, my little tube that I picked out, by the way, is sparkly. Yeah, as you can see, I was trying to fill up the tube and it straight up squirted all over the place. So, yeah, make sure you fill your tubes up over your glass bowl or jar, whatever it is that you're using, because it will fill up a lot quicker than you expect. Like, really fast. It filled up so quick. And yeah, maybe you just might want to keep a napkin or towels next to you because I keep leaving to grab napkins. Anyways, you guys, I am done and I'm pumped.
I'm done, you guys. I did it. Wow. Ooh. Ooh.
That's it, man. Just working and hustling, man.
Feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky at all.
As well I can.
It also, this feels so soft.
Yeah, I heard what you were doing.
Anyways, there it is, you guys. I did it. I love it. It's nice and soft and smooth. It's not real thick at all. I'm actually not getting any, really, hardly any thickness. I say it's very light. I can't barely smell anything, so I need to work on that for sure. I'm not getting a sexy smell that I was going for. Well, the lovely smell. So yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. There it is.